Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your VPS using Cloudflare Tunnel logs and configs. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your VPS using Cloudflare Tunnel logs and configs, start by accessing your VPS via SSH. Once logged in, navigate to the directory where your Cloudflare Tunnel configurations are stored. Typically, this will be in the /etc/Cloudflare directory. Run the command ls to list the contents of the directory and locate your configuration files and logs. Next, create a backup directory on your VPS for storing the configurations. You can do this by running mdir/Cloudflare_backup. Now, copy your Cloudflare Tunnel configuration files into the backup directory. Use the command cp/etc/cloudflare/star.yaml/Cloudflare_backup/ to copy all YAML files. Next, backup the logs. Use the command cp/var/log/cloudflare/star.log/Cloudflare_backup/ to copy all log files to the backup directory. After you have copied both the configuration files and the logs, it's essential to compress the backup directory. You can do this by running tar czvf cloudflare_backup.tar.gz/Cloudflare_backup. This command will create a compressed file named cloudflare_backup.tar.gz. To ensure the backup is secure, consider transferring it to a remote location. Use scp cloudflare_backup.tar.gz user at remote_host/path/to/backup for secure transfer. Replace user, remote_host, and the path according to your backup destination. Finally, verify the integrity of your backup by checking the backup size and ensuring all files are intact. Your VPS backup using Cloudflare Tunnel logs and configurations is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.